Idaho County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Northern County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central York County in upstate South Carolina, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Shelby to 9 miles northwest of York to 16 miles southeast of Gaffney, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Northern County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central York County in upstate South Carolina, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Shelby to 9 miles northwest of York to 16 miles southeast of Gaffney, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Huntersville, Kannapolis, Northeast Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Cornelius, Mooresville, Kings Mountain, Mount Holly, and Davidson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Piedmont of North Carolina and upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating,